Hey, this is Undone by Dale, and still getting used to that. Today I am talking about unbeauty. So yesterday I got my roots done because, you know, a graze and a toner, so I'm not looking as brassy. For those of you who don't know, I'm on a transition to grey. It's happening to me. I am slowing it down. I'm having some fun on the way, and yeah, balayage and, you know, toner is just the lethal combination at the moment. I had some long layers put in, I had my ends trimmed, and this morning I've just given it a bit of movement, but obviously the usual disheveled style that I have. This is all in preparation for my trip to Tokyo, so I had been stretching out my hair appointment until then. I'm now sitting outside the Brisbane Beauty Bar, if you can see that. I'm going to get my nails done, and I've booked some nail art. I think I've booked some nail art. So at the moment, these are the state of my talons. I have a sheer biab on, and I've been using the sheer one for the last couple of appointments. Look how long they are. That is insane. They're my real nails under there. I don't use any artificial nails at all whatsoever. I just like biab or builder in a bottle because it strengthens my natural nails. So today, hopefully, if I've booked it correctly, I'm going to get some nail art because it's birthday month, the 1st of November, and I'm thinking butterflies. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. And then following that appointment, I've got my brows, and that is why she's not wearing any makeup at the moment. Woohoo! Very shiny, very natural skin there. So I'm getting my brows done, which will be a sculpt and tint, and they're not looking too bad, but yeah, they'll look way better after Simona is done with them. So let's get ready for Tokyo this weekend. I'll show you the beauty stuff. I will show you the packing stuff. But today is all about just this vlog anyway, is just about the unbeautiful, my philosophy around done but undone as it applies to beauty. I like things to just look a little more natural than probably a lot of people I see on the YouTubes, because for me, to feel confident is to be authentic, and to be authentic is to be confident. So I try and do both of those things. It's not easy all the time, but the more you kind of lean into what's natural to you, the less pretending you do, I think the easier it gets. So that's my philosophy. I'm going to go and get my nails done again. Here's the before, and we'll see what the after looks like shortly. Oh my goodness. This top. Look at my little butterflies. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it's better for you to see it like this. So we had the demure sheer, and we've got this gorgeous, I can't even focus on them, little butterflies. Why is it not focusing? What is going on? Here we go. Look at little butterflies here. How gorgeous are they? Yay for butterfly birthday month. I've been home with my little butterflies and changed the bed linen, did the bathroom, put some washing on, and I'm a little early for my brow sculpt, so I'm just waiting for that. The hair, you can see, is it's a little bit disheveled, even more so because I had to put it up because it was starting to get very humid. And yeah, we're apparently expecting Armageddon. So, you know, stay tuned, you might get some storm action in this vlog. But yeah, I like it just being like this, like it's done but undone. Yeah, it's a little boofy because I over curled it, and there was some product in there that made the curl stay a little bit more, but yeah, I like this kind of ashy blondie brown look. We had a bit of a trim on the ends, so they're looking great. I'm just trying to get over myself makeup free. She's very raw today. And after, a bit pink, but we'll be right. We're a little bit pink, but we're very, very tidy, very natural. I do not like my eyebrows to be painted on. Very happy with those. Okay. Now, I'm just going to put these on to try and hide the redness.